sticky header with a custom mobile menu, out of the box with a block editor, full site editing in 2024. Yes, you can, and I show you how. Hey, today I show you how to improve your front-end user experience drastically by building a sticky navigation with a custom mobile menu with a couple of clicks. But don't worry, we do not search any plugins. We build it right out of the box inside of WordPress with a standard 2024 theme and the Greyd.Suite. So here we have a standard boring navigation, and what we built is this. A custom sticky navigation with a color transform and even a custom mobile menu. So let's jump right in. So here we are in the site editor. Here we have our navigation section. Just open up the list view, say add before, integrate the content box, which is more or less like a group on steroids. Drag and drop the header section in there and then transform it to a sticky box. So sticky needs always a parent container, so push it into the group, and let's improve the front-end experience even more by switching the colors based on a scroll depth. So I go in here into animation, block animation, action, change color, switch it text to white, background to black, and change the trigger to scroll, absolute scroll point, and then 150 pixels, trigger in both directions, and hit save. So just look real quick into the front end. So already a sticky header. If we go into the back end and we want to get rid of the standard behavior of our navigation block, we just switch it off, the overlay menu, say add after, insert the popover block, so here now we have the popover block, but we don't want a button, we want a proper burger menu. So just go to the child block, switch it to burger, even change the shape maybe to an F, and take your navigation block, copy it to clipboard, switch the behavior real quick. So we go to settings, advanced, disable it for mobile devices. Go into the popover block, show popover, switch it to overlay, maybe change the design a bit. So margin 0. We go to the styles tab, say backgrounds black, text colors white, and just paste your navigation in there. Change the design to vertical, left aligned. We just have to disable it for the desktop view and the large notebooks. Save, go back. Okay, here I have my sticky header with a proper breakpoint behavior, with a couple of clicks, without any coding, with Greyd.